Hi, welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today, as you can see, there are two special helpers for our recipe. We're going to prepare together a super healthy vegetable plate for the upcoming holidays. It's kind of normal to be invited to many potluck parties during this season, and I really like to go with either a vegetable or a fruit platter. And if your kids are going to help you making and putting together the platter, I can assure you that the chances that you're going to eat the platter, they are way, way higher. So today we are going to prepare with Alex and Luca a Christmas tree vegetable platter. Kids, are you ready? Are you going to help mommy?
Yeah.
Okay. First thing to do, it will be easier for the kids if you already have a plate that is kind of shaped like a Christmas tree like this one. Otherwise, you can simply kind of, shape a triangle for them. And then, Luca, you can start putting all the green broccolis on our tree. And Alex, you are putting yes, the beans, the snap peas.
Beans.
Yes, one snap peas. Those are snap peas, you can eat them. They're super yummy. Yes, one next to...
I never ate one.
You never ate one? Are you sure?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, yes, I know, sometimes. Like...
Do I go even in the middle?
Yes, in the middle too. Yes, it's our Christmas tree.
I don't want to go in the middle because I want to put like other stuff.
Oh, okay, don't worry. It's our Christmas tree.
But I want to make rainbow Christmas.
Rainbow Christmas? How is rainbow Christmas? We're going to shape and to cut out our...
star?
Oh, our star, yes. Okay, mommy will just do like that. And you're going with the cookie cutter. You're going to cut out... Let's do like that.
What?
To cut out the star for the Christmas tree. Place the cookie cutter here, and then you can press. Press. Wow, you are strong. Then we are going to do like that. Okay. Oh, Luca, you're doing great. And also in the center. Oh, our star here, and we're going to put it like that. Now, Luca, you can put the tomatoes and start decorating. And Alex, we're going to slice the bell peppers, and we're going to place them on top of our Christmas tree. Okay, like that. See? Like that. Yellow. We're going to use the yellow ones.
And the red ones.
Now we're going to use some cookie cutters, and we are going to add...
More cookies?
What is that, Luca? What is
Candy
that?
cane.
Candy cane. Some cheesy candy cane. And then, as you can see for the trunk, I use a simple cup, kind of oval shape. You need a kind of long shape, and you can fill it with any kind of dip that you like. And of course, being in Southern California, we really, really love our guacamole. But also, hummus will be perfect, or any kind of dip that your kids will love. Here you are, the green avocado trunk.
It's so big.
And our Christmas tree veggie platter is ready to be enjoyed and taken to the party. The Christmas tree vegetable platter is ready to be taken to the party. We're going to see together next week with a new recipe from BuonaPappa. You should see what's going on behind the scenes. And remember to subscribe. It's totally free. And we are going to see together next week with a new recipe from me, from us. What do we say? Ciao.
Bye.
Bye.
Why do all the people say please subscribe?
Because if you subscribe, you're going to see more videos.
Oh, okay.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. You have to say bye there.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.